what we have done last class? Last class, what we have done?
Sir, coefficient of coupling.
Okay, that we have completed full coefficient of coupling part. Root of K L1 L2, that much we have done. Hello, that much we have done. Yes, coefficient of coupling, that much we did.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Transformer we have not done, na?
No, sir, we didn't do transformer.
Okay, transformer is actually last topic in this part in EMI. Transformer, and then we'll start with AC circuit today. Transformer. See, when you say trans means transfer, former means today's or before. Before वाला ना transform अगर बोलो transformer का. This is which type of source? Alternating or direct?
Alternating, sir.
Alternating. If through device you pass some device, it gives me alternating only. So have I changed the nature? Is the nature changed?
No, sir.
No. What has changed? Magnitude. So initial and final में magnitude is increased. So transformer is a device which works on the principle of mutual induction and produces alternating voltage or alternating current from alternating voltage or alternating current. Means nature is not changed. If output voltage is greater than input, then it is called step up transformer. If output is less than input, then it is called step down transformer. It will only work if input is AC. If it is DC, then output will become 0. So can you tell me what is step up transformer? Output is greater or smaller in step up? Output is greater or smaller in step
Sir,
up?
greater.
Greater. And in step down?
It is smaller.
Okay. So let us see transformer. Transformer. A device again I'm writing. It is a device which works on mutual induction. So can you suggest how many coil it will have if it is mutual induction? How many coil it will have? If it is mutual, then how many coil it will have?
2.
2. Which is called primary?
The one which is inducing.
No, that means one in which you connect the input. Na?
Yes, sir.
And secondary where you extract the output. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this device which works on mutual induction and produces alternating voltage or alternating current. Alternating voltage or alternating current from alternating voltage or alternating current. It is a device which works on mutual induction and produces alternating voltage or alternating current from where? Alternating current or alternating voltage, but of desired value. ये क्या मतलब है? Desired value. That means it is your requirement. ज़्यादा चाहिए कि कम चाहिए? But of desired value. If output voltage is greater than input, then transformer is called as step up transformer. If output voltage is greater than input, if output voltage is lesser than input, then transformer is called as step down transformer. Write down. Right. Then we'll do construction, working, calculation. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Construction. This is called iron core, on which two coils of different turns are wounded. The coil connected to alternating source is called as primary coil. Coil across which we get output is called secondary coil. This says suppose EMF E1 turns N1. This says EMF E2 and turns N2. Okay, just draw the diagram. It consists of iron core on which two coils of different turns are wounded. It consists of iron core on which two coils of different turns are wounded. Draw a diagram and at least write this much.
Done, sir.
Done, na? Okay. It consists of iron core on which two coils of different turns are wounded. The coil across which alternating source, एक सेकंड ना, ओके 150 आ गया, चला गया। अभी कितना है? अच्छा 30 में रखते हैं। ठीक है, हाँ हाँ, नो फिर अपन 10 रुपए नीचे रखते हैं ना, कभी 10 रुपए रखें ना, रोकी जो लंबे दिन में अच्छा है वो निकलना नहीं चाहिए। हाँ चलो चलो ठीक है, चलेगा चलो। The coil across which alternating source is connected is called as primary coil. the coil across which output is obtained is called as secondary coil. Copy. Let E1, E2 be EMFs across primary and secondary coil respectively. Let E1, E2 be the EMFs across primary and secondary coil respectively. Let N1, N2 be primary and secondary turns. Let phi be flux per turn. Copy this much first. Huh? Let phi be the flux per turn. Copy till that. Completed till that, till phi be flux per turn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If phi is flux for 1 ton, what will be flux for N1 ton? N1 phi. So can I write by Faraday's and Lenz's law, EMF induced in primary is minus of rate of change of flux in primary, which will be equals to minus d by dt of number of turns in primary into flux for 1 ton. That is same as minus N1 d phi by dt. Okay. Similarly, E2 will be minus N2 d phi by dt. Dividing equation 1 by 2, we get E1 upon E2 will become N1 upon N2. So for transformer, always ratio of EMF is ratio of number of turns. Complete till this. Once you are done, please tell us fast so that we can cover more portion.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Correct, correct. Thank you. Case 1. Step up transformer. E2 is greater or E2 is smaller if it is step up? E2 is greater or E2 is smaller for step up? Greater, na? So E2 upon E1 will be greater than 1. This is N2 upon N1 greater than 1. So can I say N2 is greater than N1? So for step up transformer, secondary turns are greater than primary turns. Copy case 1. Step up transformer means secondary turns are greater than primary turns.
Done, sir.
Okay. Case 2. Step down transformer. Case 2. Step down transformer. So E2 is less, ratio is less than 1, less. So for step down transformer, secondary turns are smaller than primary turns. Copy second case also.
Done, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Done, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Thanks. This is best way you are telling faster. Otherwise, unnecessary 2 minutes are wasted. Ideal transformer. Ideal means what? Who hears 100%? That is called ideal. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So can I say a transformer in which output power is same as input power is called as ideal transformer. A transformer in which output power is same as input power is called as ideal transformer. Therefore, output power. Output means secondary or primary? Yes, output is what? Primary or secondary?
Sir, secondary.
So can I say it is E2 I2?
Yes.
So this will be E1 I1. So E1 upon E2 will be I2 upon I1. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
That means if voltage will increase, current will decrease. Inverse hai. Also, you know that E1 upon E2 is N1 upon N2. So can I say from 1 and 2, E1 upon E2 is same as I2 upon I1 is same as N1 upon N2. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Please copy. फिर इसके नीचे एक लिखना है the ratio N2 upon N1 मतलब उल्टा वाला रेशियो is called as transformation ratio. The ratio N2 upon N1 is called as transformation ratio.
Done, sir.
The last line, the ratio N2 upon N1 is called
Yes, sir.
transformation ratio. Okay. Efficiency. The ratio of output power to input power is called as efficiency. Therefore, percentage efficiency is output power upon input power. That is same as E2 I2 is output upon E1 I1. Copy into 100. So sometimes the transformer will not be ideal. In that case, there will be efficiency less than 100%. Copy this much. This completes our EMI theory full. Now I will start with AC circuit for you all.
Sir, can you afterwards send the recording as I have to leave the class as I am having exam?
Oh, I didn't set. I have set for recording. I forgot. एक मिनट चेक कर लेते हैं रिकॉर्डिंग पे रखा है क्या.
So yes, it is recording.
ठीक है. Because AC,
Thank you, sir.
if you miss, then you will not understand. So if you go
Yes,
to lectures, then it will be easy.
Yes.
But thanks for managing both exam plus this class.
Yes, sir.
You will reap the benefit
Yeah.
at the end.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Done, sir.
Okay. New chapter now. AC circuits. CBSE students, you all have got the portion for first term.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think you have sent me.
Yes, sir. I think 1 minute, sir.
Just check. Even I will check. I think Dhruv, you have sent me. तो इतना ही है कि इसके आगे एक बार चेक कर लेता हूँ.
Sir, I have term 1 and term 2. I will send it again. 1 minute, sir.
Yes, yes. Dhruv send. I think you have not sent. अभी मिला.
Yes, sir.
Yes, मिला अभी मिला. Term 1, term 2 मिल गए. Term 1 में what you have portion? Magnetism, magnetic matter, moving charge, electromagnetic.
Till alternating current.
That means this is our the last chapter for your first term exam.
Yes, sir.
We are very much well ahead. And what will be the mode of test? Only MCQ or
Sir,
theory also?
MCQ, full
only
MCQ base. Yeah, sir.
Full MCQ?
Yeah, 40 marks MCQ paper.
90 minutes they have given for 40 marks MCQ paper.
Yes, sir.
You are given
Yes.
maximum mark 35.
Sir, physics 35,
Acha.
maths and English 40, like
So
that.
no viva, na?
No,
No, sir,
most,
no, why?
no, sir, no, sir.
So try to score full 35 because then your average will become more than 90. And because we are very much ahead now, this is last chapter we are doing. Exam
Yes,
November
sir.
में. So by that time आपका पूरा portion में खत्म कर दूंगा. Just stick to the planner as I am giving. So this week planner what I have given, are you knowing? Sunday's test?
Elasticity, right, sir?
नहीं खाली elasticity नहीं है.
Sir, the
Yeah,
test
measurement,
which you took on
scalar vector,
Yes, yes.
circular
Yeah,
motion,
sir.
all.
Say all, yeah.
All plus elasticity. And next wala, that means on 29th, not 22, no test. 29th में दो ही chapter. Mechanical property of solid, mechanical property of liquid. Now, Ashley and all, you all will attend the MCQ test because it is MCQ exam.
Yes, sir.
So your all test will be same pattern what others are writing.
Okay, sir.
Reason because they are keeping MCQ test now. So we'll invest the time and energy and knowledge in that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो स्टार्ट करते एसी सर्किट. अभी नाम ही क्लियर है. एसी सर्किट मतलब क्या? जिसमें करंट वोल्टेज ऑल्टरनेटिंग चाहिए ना आपको. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by AC circuit? चलो एकदम सिंपल. AC circuit means what? It is circuit in which source is alternating. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
It is
Yes,
the circuit in which source is which source? Alternating. If alternating means it will move like sine. So sometimes maximum, sometimes zero, sometimes minimum. This way it will flow.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Right. Define following. See, very again simple. थोड़ा मैथ्स है इसमें, बस इतना ही है. मैथ्स जिसका स्ट्रांग है उसके लिए एसी पार्ट केक वॉक है. फर्स्ट राइट. पीक करंट. Peak current. Right, AC circuit definition, then define following. First, peak current. The maximum value of alternating current is called as peak current. The maximum value of alternating current is called as peak current. Once you are done, again give the signal.
Done, sir.
Yeah. It is given by, it is means who? Peak current, huh?
Peak current.
Denoted by I naught will be peak voltage by Ohm's law. I is V by R. Anybody knows formula for maximum EMF in alternating source? NAB omega, this we have proved.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. It is given by I0 equals to E0 by R, NAB omega upon R.
done, sir.
Okay. Peak voltage or peak EMF. So can I say the maximum value of alternating EMF is called as peak EMF. Maximum value of alternating EMF is called peak EMF. It is given by E naught equals to NAB omega. Right, second definition.
Done, sir.
Okay. Third one, RMS current. RMS means root mean square current. Today I am doing definition. Next lecture I will explain its mathematical part. Root mean square. Suppose I connect here alternating source. What type of current will flow? Alternating or direct? What current will flow? Alternating or direct current? तो सिंपल है ना, सोर्स
alternating current.
तो ऑल्टरनेटिंग ही देगा ना, मतलब जिसमें मैक्सिमम होएगा, मिनिमम होएगा, जीरो होएगा, फिर से मैक्सिमम ऐसा होगा ना, दैट टाइप इट विल गिव ना.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if current I is flowing through resistance R for time t, what heat it will produce? I square RT. How much it will give? I square RT.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी ये डीसी सोर्स कनेक्ट किया, इसका भी हीट का फॉर्मूला I स्क्वायर RT होएगा, करेक्ट ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके. यहाँ पे आई एम कनेक्टिंग एमीटर, इधर रियोस्टेट, टू चेक कि ये हीट का मैचिंग वाला करंट कितना होगा. बाय एमीटर, बाय रियोस्टेट आई कैन चेंज दैट वैल्यू ऑफ करंट. So when I pass the current of 1 ampere, this heat is suppose 100, we are getting heat 52. Is it matching heat? No, no. I'm keeping same resistance, current is passed through same time. If heat is not same, current will not be same. So is it same heat? Is it same heat? अरे हाँ क्या ना, 150 सेम है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
फिर करंट बढ़ाया थोड़ा, ये 75 आ गया, सेम है क्या?
No, sir.
नो नो, फिर बढ़ाया 3.2 में सेम 100 मिला, तो ये 3.2 वाला डीसी वैल्यू इसका रूट मीन स्क्वायर वैल्यू होता है. तो अभी डेफिनेशन सुनो ध्यान से अच्छे से. इट इज दैट स्टडी करंट, मींस दैट कांस्टेंट करंट which when flows through a resistor for given time produces same heat as produced by alternating current flowing through same resistor for same interval of time. मतलब that constant current which when flows through resistor for same time gives same heat as produced by alternating current flowing through same resistor for same time is called as RMS current. Not followed meaning? ये ऑल्टरनेटिंग करंट है, ये कांस्टेंट करंट है 2, 3, 4 एम्पियर. एक वैल्यू इसका हीट से मैच होगा, तो इधर जो वैल्यू भी आएगा, इधर आया या इधर आया, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं आरएमएस. ओके बाउंसर, बाउंसर गया. इट इज दैट स्टडी करंट, स्टडी मींस व्हाट? कांस्टेंट, नो?
Yes, sir.
which when flows through a resistor for given time produces same heat as produced by alternating current flowing through same resistor for same time. So this matching wala current is called RMS current. That means root means square current. Clear?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Definition लिख देते हैं RMS current का. What is full form of RMS?
Root means square.
हाँ. So it is that steady current which when flows through a conductor. It is that steady current which when flows through a resistor produces same heat as produced by alternating current flowing through same resistor for same interval of time. It is given by I RMS equal to I0 upon root 2. Derivation in next lecture I will do. Right. Definition right now.
Done, sir.
Okay. Then write RMS EMF. That will be last for today. RMS EMF, because wording is same, so immediately we can do that. Small change in that. RMS EMF. It is that steady EMF, current का जगह में EMF, which when flows, which when EMF flow नहीं होता है, maintained लिखेंगे आप लोग, maintained through a resistor produces same heat as produced by alternating EMF, maintained through same resistor for same interval of time. It is given by ERMS equals to E0 upon root 2. अब रिलायंस ले लो, आएगा नहीं। हाँ 142 है सर। ठीक है।
Done, sir.
So today we stop here. Next class, I will do derivation of RMS current and RMS EMF, and then average current, average EMF, and then start with, there are total bada ye chapter. Power in AC circuit with resistance only, फिर coil, capacitor combination. So it will take coming week when this chapter will get over. So that's all for today. Please prepare yourself for the Sunday's test.